Okay, I'm going to be opening all these Shopkins things. So I'm going to start with the surprise egg. So I'm going to open this on the table. It's quite hard to open, but I don't care. Because I'm 8 years old. So, don't worry, I've got more videos to go. So what's in here? I've got a little Shopkins brush. Perfect for my birthday with a little cupcake. So that's going to go there. Some little beans and stickers. So, yeah. So I'm done with this. And now I'm going to open Sarah Sushi. I've been waiting for these things for ages. Isn't that right, Mum?
Mm-hmm.
She's nodding her head. So, I need the scissors. Okay, I'll get back to you when I've opened everything. Here's mine. I'm going to do it on camera. One thing at once. One thing at a time. So I moved everything to the side over there. So that's a lot of stuff. It looks like a toy shop in here. Isn't that right, Mum?
Mm-hmm.
Stop playing with my phone. Mm-hmm. Okay, like halfway open that, so it's cool. I need to make a sloppy joe. I'm cutting plastic. Like plastic. Okay, it's hard to open. But I opened it. So here's Sarah Sushi and it's got the little note thing in there. No one needs it. So I'm gonna try and take this out. And by the way, this is not a surprise, this is her stand. Okay? Let's get her petkins out. Pretty hard to get out, but I don't care. I'm almost done it. Yes. Just got one more to go. I'm going to get the tape off this one. These are absolutely tiny and cute. And by the way, this one is Puppy Parlour Sarah Sushi. So. And her little chopsticks right there. Tiny little puppy chopsticks. But it really doesn't matter which room you put it in. So, yeah. She's got this big bow on the back of her dress. Right there. And I opened this before, but I don't have a video for that. But this one wasn't for my birthday, so yeah. I'm going to put her to the side.
What's she called?
She's called Kirsty. And I'm going to get her stand out the slime bag. Yeah. Here's a little stand, it's tiny. And by the way, these little shopping dolls, if you take the stands off, they can fit in the Shopkins ice cream truck, which I also got for my birthday with a video. And this is Sarah Sushi with her two little petkins. Two little petkin friends. And let's move her to the side over here. And now I'm going to open Kitty Kitchen rainbow cake. Okay, I took it out the package now. So, I'm going to open her stand first. It didn't even cut a slit. No, it did. A small slit. Okay, I got her stand out, but I haven't got her out. So, she comes with a little kitty mixer. And a cute little kitty bowl. And I've got a cake for her in a jar, which is right next to me. Now I've got to get the actual rainbow cake out. I can do it by the way, just having a look at them. Well, she was hard to get out of the pack, even my mum struggled. Well, I've opened her, but I'm going to do these two last when I do the house, because the girls are going to open them, and even Poppet. So, I'm going to get her on a stand, there she is, and I'm going to put her to the side, and I'm going to open Donatina, a big one. Okay, so Mum's going to pause it right now. I forgot to show you the Petkins that came with Kirsty then. And my favourite one is this fan. Because it reminds me of Dad blowing into a fan. So, that's why. And that's a lot of Shopkins. And I'm going to open this now. So, cut. Okay, so her shoes come off. And she's got donut everything. And her stand's really, got lots of stuff on it. So she's really cool, and we'll get back after we cut everything and get everything out of the box. So, cut! Okay, so she comes with a VIP card, and this is her. And she comes with these little donuts, and this little handbag, pink handbag, and then a little blue hairbrush, and her two little donut friends. So that's the cat. And we'll get back to you when we open this. I've been waiting for this forever. So, I've opened the house, and this is what it looks like. This is like a little salt. It's tiny. And this is a little popcorn bowl, and you can put the salt in there. And this is a little table. It's pretty big actually, so that's good. And I'm going to put that there. And here's a little sofa. This is the biggest Petkin I've ever seen. So I'm going to put that right there. So I'm going to put it up. And put some firewood in this little fireplace. Came with two of these and this fireplace. So I'll put that there. And here's the wood holder with a little piece of wood. And by the way, you can take them out. And this little cactus plant with a flower on. I can go there. And this is Poppet that came with it. Her head popped off when we opened it. And there's a little fish tank here that can just come out like that. That's a little fish tank. So I'm going to put that back in. And it only goes there. So that's pretty good. And now I'm going to open both of these. So I'm going to start with this. There. And they come with this. Each. And I'm going to pop it on the side right there. So they can click on to the little house. Pretty hard, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave that. And I'm gonna open this one, and I got a blue tile with this one. And I'm gonna put that there. I'm just gonna put that on this side. That'll just be the best. That's hard to put on. And these come like this. So you need to make sure your petkins are at the bottom so you don't cut your petkins. That was really good. So I got a little, I don't know what this is, but I'm going to use it as a TV. Even though it's not a TV, but I'm going to use it as one. So the TV can go there. Okay. And I'm going to get my second petkin. My second petkin is a little music player. Divine. And this one is another little music player, but like a different one. So yeah. I'm gonna put this in the bedroom. Because I think that might go in the bedroom because it's pink. And I'm going to put this in here as well, actually. This. So that's cool. Music player can go in there. Make sure all of our petkins are out. Yep. And now, second. Again, move all your petkins down to the bottom. So you don't cut them. We're going to have a few more videos. Like a Benderies video maybe. But yeah. In this one there is some, it's for the bathing bunny. It's for the bathing bunny. And it's like soap. I'm going to put that in there. And it's so cute. So I'm going to see what's in the next one. Oh, it's tiny. It's another bathing bunny, I think. Yeah, it is. Look at his tiny little face. Little toothbrush. With that. So I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to open the last one. It feels pretty big. So I need something big. Oh, it's a little pot for a little toothbrush. So that's cute. I'm going to put that in there. So now she can brush her teeth. And that's pretty good. So that was all for this video. And I'm going to try and get these tiles on. But yeah. Bye for now.